Good afternoon, Madrid Nation! Welcome sa panibagong episode ng ating Madrid Tips. And today I would like to share with you 4 ways on how to manage your time wisely by Madrid Philippines. Number 1. Plan ahead. Make sure to have a plan on how to manage your tasks. How will you do them, when, and make sure that when you do these tasks, you'll do it with time efficiency. Number 2. Make a to-do list. You wouldn't want to lose track of the things that you have to do. It's better to have a checklist to keep track of your progress and not to miss out on anything. Number 3. Set your tasks by top priority or nearest deadline. Do not rush on the things that you are not yet due sooner. So we suggest that you have to do the tasks that are supposed to be accomplished first, but it will depend on how much work is needed on each task. Number 4. Setting personal deadlines before the real deadlines. This is to avoid cramming and rushing tasks that can result to poor performance. For example, less attention to details because of the pressure and not having enough time to accomplish tasks. And that's it for our Madrid tip today. For more Madrid exclusive videos, just click the link below and follow us on our Facebook page. That is facebook.com/MadridPH, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/MadridPhilippines.